So a friend and I were talking about how the social media platforms that we use today has gone kind of haywire. They're broken. They don't really work well at all. Uh, I get unsubscribed from people I like to follow all the time. I get no notifications. It's like a desert, but I know things are going on out there. It's crazy. I don't get it. So we decided to put our heads together and our resources together and build an actual website, a free-flowing, free website where you can blog, you can text people, you can instant message them, upload videos, link videos, create groups, you name it, you can pretty much do it. And it's reliable. And again, it's free. It doesn't cost anything. And there's no ads to look at. So the link's in the description. Once you use it, you'll find yourself here. Just put in your name, whatever name you want. Doesn't even matter. There's our little beginning logo for starters. Here's the other fields coming up that you'll fill in. Pretty simple. You don't have to put your phone number in there. Birthday, that's optional. Male and female. Okay, so yeah. You fill all that out, create an account, and you're in. So once you're in, it looks like this. So here you can see just some latest members here. I changed the layout to where it's not on the sidebar anymore. All the options, they're on the top bar, but that's minor. But this is basically showing you on the news feed what you do if you want to talk. Everybody can see it. It gets posted. It's there. If you want to grab a link from your YouTube channel or somebody else's, you just grab the video you want to see, copy the link, go back on over, and paste that link right here. Or within a group. If you're in there, you can post it within the group also. Same thing. Just hit post, and there's your video. It'll play. You can write comments. We'll go back and forth with it. So that gives you a basic idea of what's possible here. You also can upload MP4 videos. If they're pre-formatted to MP4, you can directly upload it. You just go to the videos, add video, and you'll see the layout there. We'll go more in depth with a different video later about that, because that's kind of what this whole thing is for, is to not rely on YouTube anymore. Going to be a helpful tool to get things rolling. So I'm just pointing out different things here. You can add a group very simply. There's several groups already created. You can just join one of those or create your own. Unfortunately, right now on mobile, you cannot create a group. It's something we're looking into getting fixed here. We will. But if you don't have access to a laptop or a PC, well, send it our way. We can post it for you, or be patient and just wait for the fix. Everything on phone or mobile is basically the same as you see here. The difference is it's sometimes a little bit more difficult to add your profile picture on a banner Either one of those is a little bit different, and there is no live chat yet on mobile. But this is basically what it looks like on a phone. It's basically the same. It's a little bit more limited, like we said, but we're trying to work some of those things out. And again, you're trying to create a group on mobile, it's not going to work. It works very well on laptops and PC right now, but it's just go right there, boom, and you hit groups, and you can go into there and you can look at them. You can join groups, but you cannot create one. So sorry about that for now. Here you got friends, messages, and notifications. I want to point out, if someone gives you a notification where you get someone had commented within a group and you try to click on it and go there, it's not going to show you yet. It's not linked up, working correctly yet. So, but you can still go and see them. If you go to the respected group, go look at, and you know where it's going to be. And so I wanted to point that out too, so to limit confusion on it. To go to your profile, just tap on your name. You can see everything there. You can make your changes to your profile here. Here's your picture and your banner. If you scroll down a bit, unfortunately this is not on mobile. Again, this is on PC or laptop. You can start a Google Hangout, chat with people that you're already friends with on there. This again, that is going to be a bridge to help get people involved, get them to realize that this place is here. It'll be a valuable tool temporarily. Most importantly, let me stress this. This site is not for game players, trolls, bullies, and things like that. And I don't mean gamers. You guys are all welcome here, of course. What I'm talking about is there's zero tolerance for people posting things that they already know should not be posted. We're talking nudity, graphic, explicit, things like that. If you troll people, that's not going to work. If you bully people, that's not going to work. It's going to be insta-ban for these folks who try to, do this. And I know there will be, unfortunately, and that's sad. But on that note, this is an open invitation. Come one, come all. Everybody welcome. Come check it out if you'd like to. This is an option. We, the co-founders, decide that we don't want to be on YouTube and these mega social media sites. And so there we are. This is what we're deciding to do. So this is obviously not going to be the last of the information type of videos we'll need for this. So until the next one, we'll have this posted up in the groups, in the tutorial group. You can find all of them there once this gets going. And until the next one, thank you and God bless.